Whoa, that looks awesome, Dave.
Come here.
I need a way bigger Tom.
Sell it.
Whoa.
See. Oh yeah.
Whakalawhatu makau, e aho nei, aho tapu. E tau se aho whanau ha David. Honga fulu ma tolu, honga fulu ma ono e tau. Here he is, the man of the hour, Dave.
Yep. Thanks everyone for coming. Oh, geez. Oh, happy to be 16, man. Old, my 20s, my old, but been fit, strong, healthy. As strong as Hayden. So, big shout out to Perks, to mom, dad, all my family out there. You in now. Shout out to Hayden. He's my MC today. Thank you, everyone. Yep. You in now.
Sheesh. Fuck it.
Hey.
Fuck it. Indy, happy birthday wishes for...
Happy birthday, David. Hope you have a good birthday. 16th birthday. Happy birthday. You're a good cousin and you're really funny, and I remember the time you said I'll give that guy a knuckle sandwich at netball. Yeah. Oh! Okay, go. Huh? Why is it zoomed in so much? Happy birthday, David. You're such an inspiring cousin, and you always manage to make people laugh and smile, so Mune aho whanau. Happy birthday, David.
Fuck it.
My turn. Happy birthday, David. Wish you the best. She don't call me baby.
Whoa.
See. Oh yeah.
The lamb master here.
Picking up Lamb Master, birthday boy's favorite. Barbecue lamb. Any representatives from Weber want to sponsor our videos? I was lucky enough to get this Weber nearly 8 years ago. 8 years ago? Yeah. Oh, nice cool. To get an upgrade in, upsize. If not, my 40th is coming up, so I think I got this for my 30th. Oh, you're 40th? Oh. So any viewers? Any birthday wishes for? Come over and I'll cook you dinner. Oh. What if we need Hayden's he's like a post? Some of the silver. It's not even anymore, eh? Like the heat shrink, the heat. Yeah.
Sweet 16, can't believe that 16 years I was in the hospital seeing David being born. So he's turned out to be a wonderful man. Thank you.
Whakalawhatu. Yeah, we just finished halonga yesterday, Neafi. Osi e halonga Neafi. Tau se o mai a motolo ki kau whakarataha e aho nei. Mitaki aho. Yeah. So Dave changed his shirt. As you can see, he got his halonga top on. Hey, Dave.
Fifi.
Hey. Oh, Michael's just arrived. Oh, David's got to go and hofi atu his auntie and uncle.
I did escape. Happy birthday, David. Hope you have a good birthday. You have some fun time with friends and family today. So that you have a birthday today. Have many more years to come. Yeah, I'll go it. Happy birthday, David. Hope you have a good 16th today. Just a good week and a good rest of the year as well. I miss seeing you at school because obviously I'm in school, so I didn't see you as often. But yeah, wish you all the best. God bless.
Fuck it. Dan.
Happy birthday, Dave. Happy 16th. Thanks for having us. God bless.
AJ, birthday wishes for David.
Happy birthday, David. Hope you have a good birthday and yeah.
Gus, birthday wishes.
Hey, bro.
Good to see you too.
To brother. Happy birthday, Dave. Oh, big 16, eh? Big boy now. Yeah. Remember this guy when he was young? Big boy. And now he's even taller and bigger. Happy birthday, Dave. God bless you.
Alright. Kingston, some words for
Birthday, Dave. Have a good day today.
fuck it. Birthday wishes for Dave.
Fatu. First of all, this is Shahir. Yep, Shahir's my partner. But yeah, Fatu and happy birthday, David. It's good to be here for your sweet 16th birthday. I know when it's usually my birthday, you go like this, happy birthday, Uncle. So I'm gonna say happy birthday, sweet 16 to you, David. It's great to be here. It's good to see your friends here as well.
Happy birthday, David. Wishing you all the best.
Yeah.
Happy birthday, David. You're a really good cousin. I hope you have a good day. God bless you. And
Is it on?
Yeah.
Oh, whakalawhalaia to everyone. We're here for David's 16th birthday and Lily's birthday as well. And David asked us especially to wear these beautiful Alofi Halonga t-shirts to celebrate his birthday. So anyway, thank you, David, for inviting us. Happy birthday. Happy 16th.
Whoa, who made that, Dave?
Shout to Uma, Luinde, Afi. Uma go home, Uma,
Yeah.
making this for me. Uma, oh yeah. Shout to Hayden, MC. Thanks, bro. Well, Uma.
Monuene aho whānau hauma, David. Awesome to come to your birthday party. Whanga e aho nei. All your friends, your singers from Edgewater College, good to see them. And we look forward to party with you. Happy 16th! Are you and David as well?
Happy birthday, David. Keep up the good work. Have a good day. Appreciate it.
Yeah, Buffett Pie. Just want to thank Judy and coming up from Taupo and Amanda and Joe coming all the way from Ramarama. Just going to have a big lunch and then hang out. People can come and go as they please. Nice to see Sahira again. Oh, yes. Okay. Yeah, sit down. Okay. Thank you, everyone. Judy, do you want to have any say any words?
God, we're so grateful to be here. Thank you for a beautiful day. Thank you for everyone who's here to celebrate.
Okay. Happy birthday, David. Hope you have a great day. Thank you for having us. Cheers.
Hey, just to celebrate a little party thing.
Whoa, that looks awesome, Dave.
Oh, thank you, John. Hey, shout to Herx. My boy Herx. He's not here, but wish you all life. Stephen. Oh, love you, Dad. Get well soon. Give it a touch. Here, get a phone. Yeah.
I need a way bigger tongs.
Sell it. Running away to
Imagine.
It's alright, Dave.
Alright, cake time. Oh, got 2 cakes. One for Lily turning 7.
Oh,
One for Dave. Oh my God. After the cake. Good, Lily, brought your handle. Good, David. Right, we go. Good, Christopher.
yay!
Birthday wishes.
Dave, we love you so much. You'll always be our little D, even when you're bigger and taller than all of us.
Yes, happy
Keep
birthday.
being awesome. We love you so much.
We love you.
Okalahi atu.
We hope you have a good year, okay? And God bless you always.
Love you, D.
Love you, D.
Fuck off.